Is your toilet constantly running? Don't worry, you're not alone.
Finally!
Here's what you need to do to fix it. Check the flapper valve. Make sure it's not worn or misaligned. Clean or replace if necessary. Adjust the float. If the water level is too high, adjust the float ball or cup to lower it. Test the fill valve. Flush and watch. If water keeps running, the fill valve may be faulty and needs replacing. Check the overflow tube. Make sure the water level in the tank is below it to prevent overflow. Adjust the chain length. Ensure it's not too long or too short, affecting the flapper sealing. By following these simple steps, you can fix your running toilet and save water and money.
Nice.
If you're unsure, don't hesitate to call Plomero in Phoenix. Catch you on the next video.